What is up, everybody? How's it going? And welcome back to the channel. So today is March 13th. March 13th. It's a Sunday, 2022. We're gonna do a quick unboxing or unbagging of this little small pouch from Amazon. Should be an electronic diagnostic item. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up, everybody? How's it going? And welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Alright, so let's get this little package open, this little pouch. Is this one going to open or is it going to rip? Some of them open pretty easy, some of them just are so glued that they rip, yeah. Yeah, there's a spot right there. Alright. It's funny how the strip is always inside the pouch. Alright, so these are Gloaso resetting fuses. So this is manual resetting and this is automatic resetting from 5 amp to 30 amp mixed 6-pack, and then this one is manual resetting, car, boat, RV, solar. So these have little switches that pop up, and these are standard fuses. You can also put these in relay buddies, stuff like that. So as an example, I'm gonna grab this guy right here. I'll show you guys what I mean. This is some relay buddies. So as an example, this is with a current loop. So I could set it in here if I need protection on this while I'm testing, and I have a current loop to do testing. And what will happen is if you have a fuse of a standard size fuse like this, or a mini, you can get these in minis, standards, maxis, all kinds of different fuse styles. And if you have a fuse that you have a short, for an example, and you have a fuse that just constantly blows, instead of keep ruining fuses, you can use these. This is a manual resetting, and what will happen when this blows, it will push this pin up, and then you would just manually reset it by pushing the pin back down, and you're good to go. You can continue with your testing. That's what these are for. 30 amp is green, 25 amp is white, 0.5 amp is tan or cream, and it's kind of a dune color, desert dune color. 10 amp is always red, 15 amp is blue, and then yellow is a 20 amp. So that'd be that one right there. And you can also use something like this as an example. Oops. So say you need, say you're testing a mini fuse section, and this will convert it to a standard. So and this is the exact same shape. There you go. This is the exact same shape as these. It's got the little notches. Let's turn this light on real quick. There you go. So this little notch here and here is the same as this guy right here. The notches in the corners. So now you could plug this into a mini fuse port, and now you have a standard fuse in line. It's just an example. This is a standard fuse to standard, like that. Maybe you just need to make the fuse a little bit higher out of the fuse box port. Like so. And that's why I picked these up, to be honest with you. Picked them up so that way if I'm doing Diag, you know, I don't, I could throw this in one specific kit, and you know, you don't have to continually blow fuses. It's always nice not to continually blow fuses, because it could be very expensive and time consuming to do Diag on a short that causes a fuse to blow. I actually have 3 of these. I have another one also. This one is a 308B. This is a 307M. So this is a mini. This would be a standard. You can get these in all different variants. You can get a current loop version in maxi. You can get it in 3-prong, 2-prong, dual. So that's that guy right there. And then this one would be a different one. This one would be the auto resetting. And the way these work is they just automatically reset. When it blows, it'll automatically reset in a few seconds. So you have a 20 amp for this one. 0.5, 25 amp, 15 amp, 10 amp, and a 30. Same versions, but this is auto, this one's manual, and that's the only difference. As an example, here's the 2 white ones. One has a little button on the top, the other one does not. This one's ignition protected. So white and green on the auto is ignition protected. Blue, actually all of these are ignition protected. The blue, yellow, cream or desert dune or sand color, and red on the autos, they're all ignition protected. But on the manual resetting, the 10 amp, the 0.5 amp, the 20 amp, the 15 amp, and the 30 amp are all ignition protected. The white one is not. And they do up to 32 volts is what it looks like. So, you know, it's a small little pickup. I didn't get a lot in this one. This order was probably, if I remember correctly, with those 2 right there. But they all came in separate packages at different times. You know, if I can remember, I'll put links in the description below where you can get these on Amazon. I will also let you guys know in the future if I have any issues with these. If, you know, for an example, if I'm using the 30 amp manual and it pops at 20 amps or something, I'll let you know. As another example, if it pops at like 40 or 50 amps, I'll let you also know if they don't function properly or they don't physically pop at their actual rating. Same with the automatics. You know, if you know this is a 25 amp, if it pops at 12 amps or something, I will let you guys know. Or if it pops at like 30 or 35 amps, something like that, you know, when it's a 25 amp, I'll let you know if they don't work properly or if they do. But I will try to remember to provide you guys links in the description to these things. I can also provide links to stuff like this if you guys need. I do have minis right here. These are the manual resetting. This is an 8-pack of the minis. Same company, Gloaso, Gloaso, GL. It says T-Tokos on it. When you look at the back of them, they all say Gloso. Gloaso. This one's Gloaso, or Gloaso, where these are Gloso. So they're pretty close, even though the sticker on it says T-Tokos. You know, it's probably the same company making 25 different brand names for them, but these I've already used to track down a short. It actually was a couple main harness plugs inside the cabin that runs the dash lights and everything. They were gunked up with a bunch of what looked like anti-seize in the plugs. That was causing it to short out and causing the fuse to blow. So these do come in handy, and these have worked well so far. So, but that's just some info for you guys. I don't want to make the video too long. I do appreciate you guys sticking around and checking out the video, hanging out with us today. Turn this light on so you guys see a little better. There you go. Get you guys a little bit close up. But that is all I got for you guys today. I do appreciate you guys hanging out with me today. Let me know if there's any information that you guys need, or if you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments. I'll do my best to help you guys. These will save your butt from spending hundreds and hundreds of dollars on fuses just to find a short. And hopefully these work just as well as the more expensive ones that I have. And maybe I'll do a video on the more expensive ones. This set right here was like 14 bucks. This, or I think it was 15 bucks with tax and everything, and this was 15 bucks. So they're not really too expensive. You know, I don't know what the prices will be by the time you guys see these videos, but I'll still link them for you guys. You know, with everything going up, you know, food and gas and everything going up with all the events going on nowadays. But that is all I got for you guys today. Hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day. As always, please like, comment, and subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And I will see you guys next time. Peace!